Now you already created a form. You already created a form. Everything is there. Okay, you think that how it will be look. Okay, now it is time to check how exactly it is looking, how exactly it is look when we are sharing this particular form with anyone. Okay, to check the preview after this theme, customized theme, after that we have one preview option here, the icon with the eye symbol. Okay, we'll select that preview option. Now this is your form preview. How if someone open your form, anyone, the respondent, when he open your form, it will look like this. Okay, now you have been asked here full name. We'll start filling one form, Beta Academy. Okay, this is the name we have been given. Gender we say other. Okay, because of this is nothing but a other. Why we are selected? It's a company, because of that we have been selected other. This is a multiple choice question, and mobile number we can type any number. In case if you are typing any text here, you can observe we have been conditioned only number to be added. That's why it's saying that must be a number. If they are enter only number, then only it will consider. Then date of birth you can select. Okay, select date of birth from the calendar. By using calendar they can select the date of birth. Okay, this is how they can select the date of birth. Okay, and time, the preferred time they can enter 6:06, then 0 p.m. like that we can select the time, 6 p.m. like that preferred one. Okay, then one section is over. Next section, click on here next. It will go to a next section. Now here multiple he can select. Okay, then here also he can select based on his satisfaction level. Then here multiple selection again, grid type multiple selection, what to be improved in each product, like this. And his level of the satisfaction. Okay, and low to high has been indicated here. He can write a feedback related to the product. And here image question we have been asked. For that also he can write a answer what to be improved in a design. Then go to next, the third section, the promotional one. He will able to see the, yes, promotion. Okay, what it is, and product name with version. Okay, and here he can watch the video, and then he can say submit. This is how your entire form will look. Once you have been submitted, your response has been recorded. Submit another response, like this it will be appear on his page where he is filled up form. Okay, this is about a entire thing about a how your form will look. That is nothing but we gone to preview, and we have been checked how our form will be look like.